Gold leaf, if you are beating it very thin plate, mass is very less. Very less means what small charge also if it is kept on that, we can find the effect of it. So here, if you take the glass rod, rub with the silk thread. Already charged glass rod you have taken, and rub it with the silk cloth. Then glass gets the hot starch. Bring it close to this brass sphere. We can touch without touching also possible. What happens here is, if you are keeping it without touching, it is called as induction process. Without touching, what happens here is, it attracts electrons to it. All these conductor electrons attract by this, and electrons accumulate at this point. Okay, and these electrons attracted by this, where they came from the other side. So what happens here is that this plate at the far end you get positive charges. Why? Because of the loss of the electrons. They are going from here to this place. Once again, I will repeat later this point. What I say, electrification without touching is what I say, electrification by induction. If you take the glass rods close to the paper piece, we discussed that paper piece will be attracted. So how does it attract? When keeping it close to the paper piece, this attract the electrons close to it. So electrons will come and accumulate here. If it is paper is an insulator, but electrons will move slowly, not fast. Some electrons accumulate here, other side electrons are missing, so that end becomes equal to positive. This end becomes negative, this end becomes positive. Okay, and these electrons attracted by this plus, but plus becomes plus. But electrons are closer, attraction dominates over the repulsion, so paper piece will rise if the weight is not much. Means small paper piece, big paper piece may not rise, small paper piece will rise. It will rise and attach this. So before that, what is happening before touching? This side plus minus, this paper is said to be polarized. Polarized with the charges. Polarized word you will get in a light also, okay? That term is different. Here polarized means polarization, or polarized means one end completely one kind of charge, other end completely different kind of charge. So one end all positive, one end all negative. End means pole means end points. So one end we are getting all positives, other end we are getting all negative charges, that is called as a polarization. So now paper is said to be polarized. And unlike charge attractor, because their closure force after contraction is stronger, paper base will go and stick this. So this initially, without touching, inducing unlike charges near side, unlike charges, far side, like charges are induced. So if I bring this any object, if I take this sphere, charged sphere, if I rub this PVC pipe with this plastic sheet, rub the PVC pipe with the plastic sheet for PVC and this polyethylene, plastic is polyethylene sheet I am taking. So PVC get negative and this gets positive. This get negative, getting extra electron, this positive. I am bringing this rubbing edge and bringing it close to this. Then what I am not touching that. I am bringing it close to this. And plastic, completely conductor. If you take the plastic, charges stays here for longer time, not passing through my body because it is an insulator. If I take the copper rod or metal conductor in my hand, I rub it, initially charges are there. If I leave it, charges will go from my body to the ground. Earth is electrically neutral, so big that it can take both positive and negative charges always remain neutral. About the details of that, charging of that, we will discuss later. Charge of that. And if I take this charging body and bring it close to this, what happens here is this negative attracts positive here, means positive do not do. What happens? Repels electrons here actually. This is a gained electrons you say. PVC negative. PVC negative. Negative means what? Gained electrons. Gained negative charge. I am bringing close to this. And bringing close to this, this gets a positive charge. That means inducing opposite charges. Actually, repelling electrons here. They try to go to the maximum distance from this negative charge. So these electrons will go to the other end, opposite end. So if I am keeping here minus, here it is plus, here you will get is minus. So this is electrically neutral. Metal is electrically neutral, but polarized. One end all positive, other end all negative. It is said to be polarized. I am not touching. Without touching, the method of producing the opposite charge in the body is called as induction. If I touch it, called as a conduction. Charges moving is called as conduction. Conduction is movement. Conductor means movement. Moving itself is translated to. So if I keep it without touching, what you get here is minus, plus, minus. Unlike charges are induced. Same thing happens in this case, the paper also. Plus attracts minus. Paper touches means what happens then? Whenever the paper goes and touch here, then charge will be transferred. Whenever it touches, the paper touches here, then charges will transfer. May transfer slowly because paper is insulator. slowly transfers. If one electron goes here, plus minus neutralized. One electron goes here, plus minus neutralized. One electron goes here, plus minus neutralized. After some time maybe, because instead of slowly charges move, it sticks for some time. But later what happens is the glass rod still have more charges. Okay, then it also plus, here also plus, repulsion. Then this will be repelled and goes away. First attracts, sticks and goes away. Okay, this while after touching charge are transferred, after touching light charges are reduced we call. After touching what happens, both get the light charges. That is called as a conduction. So touching, without touching. Without touching what happens is induction. Unlike charges are reduced on the near side. Okay, conduction, light charges are reduced on the object. And rubbing, triboelectricity means charges are transferred from one body to other body. There are three methods of the electrification. One method is without touching, induction, by touching, conduction. Another one is by rubbing, that is called as the triboelectricity. Okay, three methods of electrification, but for your syllabus, important one is by induction. But details of these three methods we will discuss in detail later. Now, coming back to this. I am not touching this. So what happens here? Minus, here we will get is plus. Equal number should be there, plus minus, because it is electrically neutral. We didn't touch it. So plus repulsion will be there. So the plates, two plates will be repelled away from each other. These are the plates will be repelled. More charges you put, more repulsion. More flows you bring, more electrons come here, more attraction, more positives here, more repulsion. Okay, that is to indicate whether this rod is charged or not. We can check it by this method. If the rod is not charged, neutral body is there, then these are all charges will not be there. Then plates will not be deflected. And more separation of the plates, more deflection of the plates, more angle of the plates indicates more charge. What if I touch it? If I touch it, what happens? I have many charges here on this glass rod. Okay, and here I got say 3 negative charges. Touch it. Then what happens? Negative charges go to this and we can neutralize it, and this gets the positive. Negative charges went off. Means what remains is only positive. So you still have the positive charges only remains here. Here also after touching, I am touching it. So positive charges touching, again you find the repulsions. Okay, and more charge of the glass rod indicates more repulsion of this. Which this is the instrument. This instrument is called as a gold leaf electroscope. So the instrument used to detect the charge on this body is called as a gold leaf electroscope. That is basically used gold leaf, not compulsory use gold. Practically we cannot use gold all the time. So we can use even aluminum sheets or paper piece also we can use, but the charges should be more because paper is little higher, more weight. It is having more weight. And the thin aluminum where these sheets are available in the market, we can use them. We can cut them into small sheets. Similar principle we can discuss. We can see here. So I grab this and bring to this, close to this, you will find the attraction. And if you bring it close to this is a aluminum bar, and actually this I didn't find the good conducting rod. I use this steel rod and then sheets. If you bring it close to this, you can find this getting separated, and bring it closer, separation is there. This is minus, plus here you find is minus. And more charges, more closer if I bring more separation of the plates takes place, because the more charges there on it. This is the principle of the gold leaf electroscope. Earthing or grounding. Earthing or grounding. Earth is a good conductor of electricity, and it is always electrically neutral because of big size. Earth is good conductor of electricity. It is always electrically neutral. Because of the large size, earth is very big size. If you are rubbing the earth with your hand, leg, whatever you take, the silk cloth rubbing, what are the charges will be transferred? True. But compared to the large number of charges already present in it, whatever charges you have transferred will not be considered. It's not considered. So earth is always electrically neutral. That means it has an equal amount of the positive charge and the negative charge. Plus minus becomes equal to 0. Okay, if I am removing my electron from this, because of large size from somewhere in the air, it takes other electron into it and becomes always electrically neutral. But what we compare in this case with the water in the big ponds, or you can take the sea or ocean. In the case of the sea, large quantity of water is present, and if you take one spoon of water from this or one glass of water from this, that makes no difference in the level of this water already present. Level is compared with the number of charges here. So if you are taking some liquid from this, just whatever quantity we can take is only small quantity compared to the large quantity present already. So just by taking this little quantity, the level will not change. So whatever charge you are adding or removing from the earth, adding the electron, removing the electrons, the number you are adding or removing is negligible compared to already present charges in it. So much that the net charge of the earth do not change. So electrically neutral. So earth is always electrically neutral. Charge is net charge is always 0. And what is this earthing? That means in case if I take a glass rod close to this earth, glass rod positively charged, I have rubbed with the silk and taken close to the earth. Then what happens? It attracts the electrons close to the surface. So electrons will be separated from here and come and stay here. Earth is neutral only. Come and stay here. In case if I take the silk cloth, silk rubber with the cloth with the glass, silk rubber with the glass, silk got the negative charge, brought close to the earth. Then what happens? This attracts the positive charge close to this. Okay, that means earth can behave as a negative charge body and also can behave as a positive charge, but always electrically neutral. If you add to this or touch this, all positive charges will go into the earth. Remember, positive charges never move. Positive charge going means actually electrons going into this positive charge body. Electrons will only move, not the positive charges. So if I take this silk, the electrons travel from silk to the earth, so that this will become neutral. Everybody try to become always neutral. If you touch the body, touch the body with the earth, the body loses the charges both positive and negative, and earth also remains neutral. The touch with the earth also becomes neutral. So here, this touch to this earth, then all positive charges neutralize. How neutralize? Electrons travel from this earth to this body. So that electrons travel this side, the electrons travel this side. Whatever objects will be neutralized on touching with the earth. The shading, this earthing or grounding means connecting the conductor with the earth to share the charges is called as a earthing or grounding. Connecting conductor to earth to share charges is called earthing. It's also called the grounding. What happens to the charge on the body? The charged body, the earth is neutral means any conductor connected to the earth also becomes neutral. The two cases we discuss here. One is the charged body. This is sphere you have taken. The sphere is of the positive charge and connected to the earth. The earthing symbol, this symbol, two types of earthing symbol is there. One symbol is like this we can take, and another symbol we take is, we will discuss the same kind of symbols now. This conducting wire or conducting metal plate connected to the earth. This is the symbol of the earthing. Lines or parallel lines we take of decreasing sizes. Number of lines not fixed, we can take any number of lines. Similarly, we can take like this also. These two symbols indicate common terminals in electronic circuits. Here we indicate the earthing. It's called as the grounding or earthing. So wire is connected to the earth means this symbol take like this. And take the sphere connected to the copper wire. These lines indicate the connecting wires. So metal wire, copper wire, conductor must be usually connected to the earth. This is earth. Here this is also earthing. We are taking the positive charge body. 1 minute. One is positive, other one we take negative. Sorry, we take negative charge. Here positive. So when you positive body connected to the earth, what happens is it should be neutralized. Every object connected to the earth that will become neutralized. And by taking the electrons. How many positives are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 electrons will go. 5 electrons will travel from Earth to this object. To neutralize this object. So electrons are traveling from Earth to this object, positive body. Whereas here, negative charge body connected to the Earth, what happens is electrons will be transferred to the Earth. How many electrons are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write 6 here. Electrons are transferred to this. How long until this also becomes a neutral? Any conductor connected to the Earth try to become neutral. So this point will be asked: if the positive body connected to the Earth, what happens to electrons? Electrons are flowing from Earth to the body. That point. If the body is negative charge body connected to the Earth, electrons travel from body to Earth. Here, Earth to the body. Okay, that reverse process will be. So any conductor connected to the Earth try to become neutral. Any conductor or any material. Any charged material. Connected to Earth. Try to become neutral. Lightning conductor. It is invented by Benjamin Franklin. Invented by Benjamin Franklin. Lightning conductor is nothing but a good conducting rod. A good conducting rods with the sharp edge or points, sharp points or sharp edge, and connected to a fixed edge top of buildings. Fixed top of buildings and connected to Earth with the thick copper. Generally, rod we can take or plate we can take. A conductive rod with a sharp edge fixed at top of the buildings or towers we can say, and connected to Earth with a thick copper wire is called lightning conductor. They don't ask the details after, they just simply ask is what is the use of lightning conductor, who made it first time. Clouds, when moving in the wind, mainly clouds with more water, they happen to be black clouds, cumulonimbus clouds, and due to the friction, the charges are being produced on them by the turbulentity, and more water. Water is the best insulator, but water mixed with any impurities becomes a good conductor. Dry wood, we discussed already, dry wood is a insulator, but when it is a wet wood, means water is an inside, it becomes a conductor. And these clouds during rainy season mainly, when or just before the rain, when the clouds are moving with the wind, due to the friction with the air molecules, electrons are exchanged. Means the clouds get charges, and clouds may get negative charges, but the electrons are sometimes false charges. What happens is the excess number of electrons increase, means attraction increases, and clouds are very heavy with large quantities of the water inside, and electrons will jump from the more number to less number. Positives cannot move. What can move is only electrons, and electrons cannot travel easily in the air. They cannot jump easily. What is required is there for path conduction is required. Means conductivity is required. The metal is required which can take the electrons from one point to other point. But here nothing is there. Air is only present. Dry air is a insulator. But wet air molecules with the water molecules and other gas mixed up, then let the charges to pass easily. Then electrons will jump from minus to plus. This is called as a lightning. During this process of lightning, there is some loss of energy. Electrons jumping, we call it as a spark. For small distance, we call it as a spark. Here, large distance, then we call it as a lightning. This lightning will take place by the jumping of electrons from more number to less number. When the number is very, very large and the attraction is very large. So this lightning, along with the lightning, we will find loss of energy converting into sound energy, heat energy also produced here. And but here, earth if you take it, if you take the earth is electrically neutral, and humidity is there everywhere, which is let the charges to pass. Just in this case, because of this negative charge, it attracts the positive charges of the earth, means repels electrons away, and here becomes plus. Earth behaves as a positive body with respect to negative cloud. And similarly for the respect to the positive cloud, Earth can behave as a negative charge body. Okay. And these charges will try to go. Electrons can jump from Earth to the cloud, possible, reverse it is called as. And electrons can jump from cloud to Earth also. Both possibility is there. When they jump, then we call it as a lightning bolt. This is called as lightning bolt. Lightning bolt, the sound variation is called as a thunder. Thunder is coming along with this electricity. It's nothing but the flow of electrons only. So this is called as a thunderbolt. This is called a thunderbolt. The electron bunch of electrons coming down is called a thunderbolt. This is nothing but called as lightning also. Though takes place from here electrons will go only. So it is going in this direction. But here electrons coming from cloud to earth, it will be like this. Okay. Path of electron. It is also possible. This is also possible. But if this strikes on the building is close to the clouds. Therefore, the electrons, bunch of electrons, whatever the flowing from the cloud to trying to go to the earth, they may strike the building also. When they strike the building, the high energy, the building may be damaged. To avoid it, these conductors, good conductors with the sharp edges and fixed on the top of the building, must be connected with a thick copper wire, a good conductor to the earth. So that when you have the electrons coming from here, minus electron jumping here, they pass safely to the earth through this conductor. Building is safe. Okay, persons inside also will be safe. Next is here in this case, positive means this negative, this is positive means electrons will flow from this wire from the ground to the clouds, neutralizes. Cloud is neutralizing both the cases and building is saved. Okay. In case if there is any tree, tall tree, wet tree are more dangerous during rainy season. Tree is wet and also close to the clouds, and electrons will be easily attracted towards it. So lightning takes place like this from here to here to the tree, and any person standing here to this will be getting the electric shock. It's called the electrocution. Electric shock will be taking place with high voltage, very high, some millions of volts, and also hundreds of thousands of ampere current will be passing. Lightning conductor, lightning, what is lightning is nothing but flow of electrons. Villagers they used to think in the olden days that they thought the lightning conductor, some rod is falling from the clouds and we can use the rod to make holes to the walls or something they used to think, but actually it's not rod or any materials, it's only a bunch of electrons, a flow of electrons. 2 minutes. So to protect yourself, you must be hiding inside the buildings or any conductors that we discussed, staying in the conductors. If you take any conductor, we can charge this to only on the outer surface. If there is a bus, if there is a bus on the ground, you better stay inside of it, don't come out of the bus, because bus is made of the metal. The charges will come and sit on the outer surface only. Inside they cannot go. Inside electrically neutral. Every metals inside electrically neutral. If it is a cavity, means hollow part is there inside. If you stay inside, you are always safe than outside. So when during lightning time, you must stay inside the metal conductors or inside the house is always a safe only. Okay. Even aeroplane also, when passing aeroplane inside people, nothing happens. Why? Because the charges are stored on the outer surface. But aeroplane after coming onto the ground, after touching the ground, the pilot presses one button and that aeroplane after touching the ground, while landing on the ground, the one rod is released and touching the made to touch the ground. Conducting rod is touched on the ground first before people come out. So what happens? Any charges on the surface, no, that will be grounded first. Then people will later come out. Otherwise, what happens? People will touching, they have to touch the staircase and touch the ground. The first person who is touching the ground, current passes from the body to the ground and he will be electrocuted. During electrocution, what happens is generally high voltage comes and current passes in our body. Cardiac arrest means heart stops working first. And large current passing means the body cells will be ionized and damaged and cells will be damaged. Death causes. In the villages, lightning takes place outside the cities because inside the cities or villages, towns, and the water tanks are near the temples also this lightning control is kept. That cover the area. That can cover the area to utilize electric clouds, approximately 1 kilometer areas. So in the villages, lightning taking place is less, but outside the village, the fields taking place is more. So in the village also, if the lightning control are kept, then people will be safe. Everything.